All right, here's kind of the big picture of how the class is going to work. Now, because this class is an online class and we don't have a specific day or time that we meet, it is your responsibility to kind of be self-directed and motivated to set up time throughout the week to make sure that you have all of your assignments completed. Each week in Canvas and in my math lab, you're going to be expected to do a few things. Number one is watching the video lessons that I've created. While watching those video lessons, you must take notes on the blank note packet that I've provided in Canvas. You might need to pause, replay, look back at old videos if you need to make sure that you understand all of the new material that you're learning. At the end of the chapter, you're required to submit a picture of your completed notes. Your notes need to you need to make sure that your notes are completed with all of the work shown, with all the pages in there in order to receive credit. After watching those video lessons, you're going to take a pre-test. I'm using the first attempt at your chapter test as a pre-test to assess what you've already learned. Now, what's nice about this is that any questions or learning objectives that you've answered correctly are actually then taken off of the homework so you can focus on concepts that you still need to master. Now, the chapter pretest is due by midnight on Monday each week, or you'll receive a 0 for your pretest score. Now, remember, the better you do on your pretest, the less homework you have to do throughout the week. So it's important that you do well. If you do not take that pretest by Monday, you will earn a 0 and you'll have to start at ground zero. You'll have to start and do all of the homework problems for each of those sections that week. There are no extensions and no late submissions allowed on pretests. So make sure that you do the work ahead of time and get that pretest done by Monday at midnight. If you score below an 80% on that pretest, you must complete the homework for each section in that unit with at least an 80% accuracy. Once you've completed that homework with at least an 80%, 2 more attempts at the test will become available to you. So you'll watch the videos, you'll take the pretest by Monday at midnight. Throughout the week, you'll work on your homework and get at least an 80%. Once you hit that threshold for each section's homework, you'll be allowed to retake the test 2 more times. The best score out of the 3 will be the one that's recorded. Now make sure that you practice by doing that homework in my math lab. This will provide you an opportunity to get immediate feedback on the things that you're understanding and maybe get some help on the things that you're not quite understanding. My math lab has lots of different resources for you underneath the question help option. It'll give you video examples, extra practice that are similar to the problem that you're struggling on, and so on. Once you've practiced, once you've done all of your homework with at least an 80%, remember those 2 test retakes will be available to you. The best score out of the 3, like I said, will be the one that's recorded. Now, your chapter retakes are due at midnight on Sunday each week. So by Monday night, you take the pretest. You'll work on your homework throughout the week to hit that threshold. Once you've hit the 80% threshold for each section, you can retake the test 2 more times, and those 2 retakes need to be done by Sunday at midnight. Now, we're all in this together, so if you're ever having any problems, please reach out to me as soon as possible. I'll be happy to help.